In January 2026, the Zelenograd Nanotechnology Center, known for developing Russia's first advanced domestic lithography system, formally inaugurated a new chip packaging line for polymer containers, capable of processing up to 100,000 chips per month. This event signifies an important moment for the Russian microelectronics industry, as chip packaging is a crucial stage that converts silicon dies into fully functional electronic components. The new line is located in Zelenograd and represents an important technological accomplishment. It functions with 200mm and 300mm silicon wafers, accommodates advanced packaging configurations, and is supported by a state-of-the-art industrial infrastructure comprising 1,350 square meters of cleanroom facilities and 161 units of process equipment. Altitude Addicts understands that beyond the immediate technical achievement, the launch also marks a new stage in the decentralization of critical semiconductor manufacturing processes within Russia. It directly contributes to reducing reliance on foreign service providers who currently occupy a dominant position in the global chip packaging market. To understand the broader importance of this development, it is essential to examine the role chip packaging plays within semiconductor manufacturing as a whole. The production of microelectronics can generally be divided into two major phases: the fabrication of semiconductor structures on silicon wafers, followed by packaging, in which the bare die is transformed into a usable electronic component. Prior to packaging, a microchip exists as a fragile silicon crystal with exposed contact areas. To be installed on printed circuit boards and integrated into electronic systems, it must receive electrical interconnections, contact balls or leads, mechanical protection, and thermal management elements. All of these functions are provided by the package, which also directly influences electrical performance, heat dissipation, and long-term reliability. For many years, Russian manufacturers have depended heavily on foreign packaging services due to insufficient domestic capacity. According to industry data, approximately 94% of packaged chips available in Russia are imported, while domestic producers account for only about 6% of the market. Against this backdrop, the technical capabilities of the new packaging line at the Zelenograd Nanotechnology Center represent a substantial leap forward. The facility supports two wafer formats, addressing both the 200mm wafers that remain common in Russian fabrication plants and the 300mm wafers that represent the international standard for high-volume, high-performance manufacturing. Equally important is the line's ability to process a wide range of advanced packaging types. PBGA wire bond packaging supports up to 1,000 contact pads and is typically used for peripheral and moderately complex integrated circuits. FC-BGA flip chip packaging supports up to 2,500 contact pads, offering improved electrical performance and higher density through direct die-to-substrate connections. HFCBGA flip chip packages with heat spreaders support up to 8,000 contact pads and are designed specifically for high-performance processors and application-specific integrated circuits that require advanced thermal management. Altitude Addicts understands that this flexibility enables the facility to serve a broad range of customers, from general electronics manufacturers to developers of advanced systems in aviation, automotive, telecommunications, and defense industries. The origins of this industrial deployment can be traced back to a comprehensive research and development program that moved deliberately from laboratory work to full-scale production. The project was implemented under a completed research and development initiative titled Development and Serial Implementation of Technologies for Packaging High-Performance Microchips in Multi-Lead Polymer Packages. This program was launched in August 2023 under a contract with the Ministry of Industry and Trade of the Russian Federation. Its total budget amounted to approximately 1.4 billion rubles. Importantly, the effort extended far beyond the installation of new equipment. A central objective was the creation of domestic materials to replace imported components traditionally used in semiconductor packaging. These materials included hermetic sealing compounds and encapsulation substances developed by specialists from the Institute of Problems of Chemical Physics of the Russian Academy of Sciences. Their successful development significantly reduced dependence on foreign chemical supplies that are critical to packaging processes. At the same time, Russian enterprises developed technologies for forming metallization layers used in solder ball contacts. For 200mm wafers, this work was carried out at the Semiconductor facility. For 300mm wafers, the technology was developed by SP-BGA, a subsidiary of the Rosatom State Corporation. Final packaging integration, system assembly, and validation testing were conducted at the Zelenograd Nanotechnology Center itself. Trial batches of products successfully passed verification, confirming the viability of the complete technological chain. In the context of ongoing geopolitical tensions and technological restrictions, this development carries particular strategic importance. Russia has intensified its pursuit of technological sovereignty in microelectronics, yet until now, domestic packaging capacity has remained insufficient to meet national demand. As Altitude Addicts explained in previous videos, prior to the commissioning of the new line, reliance on foreign providers. These risks were especially acute for industries linked to defense, transportation, and critical infrastructure. With the ability to package up to 100,000 chips per month, the Zelenograd facility now ranks among the largest packaging operations in Russia. It is expected to serve a broad spectrum of domestic customers, including industrial producers, semiconductor design centers, and emerging technology companies. Industry assessments generally view the launch as a meaningful reinforcement of localization efforts and supply chain resilience. The availability of advanced domestic packaging allows Russian firms to exercise greater control over manufacturing processes and reduces dependence on foreign contractors. At the same time, some analysts urge caution. They note that Russia already hosts several smaller packaging facilities and warn against the risk of dispersing resources rather than consolidating them into a limited number of globally competitive centers. Many existing facilities operate below capacity, which complicates competition with international leaders in terms of scale and cost efficiency. Even so, the establishment of a fully domestic technological chain, spanning from lithography development to advanced chip packaging, reflects a deliberate and long-term strategic effort. It represents not merely symbolic progress, but a concrete step toward building a sovereign microelectronics infrastructure. The inauguration of the packaging facility at the Zelenograd Nanotechnology Center therefore marks a significant milestone in Russia's microelectronics development. By expanding domestic packaging capacity and implementing advanced processes, it directly reduces reliance on foreign service providers that have historically dominated this segment. The integration of domestically developed materials, processes, and equipment within the completed research and development framework demonstrates a comprehensive approach to import substitution. Despite ongoing challenges and debate over optimal industry structure, the facility provides Russian semiconductor developers with essential infrastructure to move from design concepts to large-scale industrial production. Over the long term, this initiative has the potential to become a foundational pillar of a resilient and self-sufficient semiconductor ecosystem within Russia. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.